What's going on YouTube? Mr. Random checking in. So in today's video, we're going to be decapping some injectors. Now which ones? That's what we're trying to decide. So right now, I have some 40-pound injectors for the older harness with this style connector. So I managed to get one of these caps here off. Alright. Now y'all see, you see the tip of our injector here. And we have 3 holes on this one. I don't think this is the one we're gonna use. I'm gonna try, let's try to get this cap back on. Okay, you see he's pretty hard to get on there. Alright, we got these here, older style connectors, like 99 to 03. We have these here, the newer style. You see it's much of a wider connector. I believe it's, what, maybe 04 to 07. This one here has 4 ports, and we could pull a cap off this one as well. Let's try to get one of these caps off. Alright, he was much easier to pop off. And y'all see that, okay? And the ones that I'm gonna try to use are these right here that I pulled off of the vehicle. And these have 2 ports in the center of the fuel injector. And we also have the older style, the 99 to 03 style connector. We're gonna start by removing these injectors off of our fuel rail. And I just have a little pick tool right here. It'll come in the back side of our injector. Go right in that hole. We can pry against the fuel rail. Actually, the whole ring actually wound up coming off. Once we got him off, you can pull the injector right out of the hole. Supposed to. So y'all saw how tight of a fit that was. So I have one inject out. I'm gonna go ahead on and grab the rest of them out of there. Let's pull this next one off right here. Alright. So another one we got out of there, guys. Let's install our clip back onto this one. Alright. Let's go ahead and grab the rest of these injectors. Pull our clips back. One more we gotta get out of there. Alright, y'all. We got all our injectors right there. Next, I'm gonna show y'all how we decap them. Okay, you see that? Let's go ahead and remove the rest of our caps. I'm gonna pull your O-ring back. Okay, O-ring is back. Cap is off. So you gotta kind of hold the injector and your screwdriver at the same time. Got him off of there. Alright YouTube, as y'all can see, we have all of our injectors decapped. We got our caps right there. They got our locking rings. Next, we're gonna be grinding the caps down so we could get these things fully opened. Y'all see it's just a 2-hole injector. Or cap, I should say. We're gonna be removing this. Show y'all how we do that. Yep, so y'all tune in, guys. Y'all see old girl over there. See what we ain't got today. Good old Harbor Freight. Always supplying our needs. Got our grinder. Make sure you wear your safety glasses when you're doing it. I got a fuel injector right here. And I'm gonna try to grind this here weld off, that spot weld that's on there, to see if we can get this cap off of this injector. So let's cut the grinder on, lock it in place. We're gonna grind this cap off. Alright, as y'all can see, you see the line where the well was at. Let's see if we can grind a little bit more. Alright guys, we did manage to get our cap off of there. That was restricting our fuel flow. Now we're gonna hit the rest of these injectors. So you see it took a while for us to get that cap off of there. So now we know what to expect while doing the others. Go another one here, guys. I did notice on this one here, I did grind a little too much. I hit the tip. Hopefully it's still functionable. We're gonna keep going. This one here came out pretty good. As y'all can see, it comes out better when you hold it on an angle and not so much flat on the grinder. So I have 2 more injectors, and I'm gonna try a little trick that Sloppy Mechanics they had done. This here 13 millimeter socket, 6 point. They done it with a 12. We're gonna try with this here 6. See if we can get it on our injector. It is a tight fit. I managed to get it on the injector. I'm gonna put in my drill. Put them on my drill. And now, I'm gonna try to grind it. Grind it down using the drill. Alright, I did manage to grind it down, but you kind of don't have control of it like you do with your hands. You see we came a little too far over. It did kind of mess up my O-ring on my injector as well. So y'all be careful doing it that way. Luckily I have another one that came in my kit for the manifold gaskets. This last one here, I'm gonna do it my old fashioned way, right by hand. Alright gang, as y'all can see, this one here came out pretty good. Last one. So we done hit them all. That's how you decap the injectors. I'm gonna wipe them down. Probably put the caps on there, and we're gonna try to use them. Y'all see all of our injectors right there. There's all 8 of them, and I got me a little lacquer thin. I'm just gonna put on a rag. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put me some in this cup. Put me a little lacquer thin up in there. I'll hit them one by one. And y'all can see how they came out while we hitting them. Wipe them down. Wipe all that crud from around them. Y'all see how they came out. I go ahead and put my ring back down. Look at that, we done stretched the rings, y'all. Might close back up. Might close back up, seal back on there. And put our caps back on while we at it here. Right cap back on. This one here we grind it down a good bit, but you should be alright. My dial moves when I press it, so I believe he should be good. Cap on there. Let those rings sit in place, get tightened back up. So the best way to do it from doing this, guys, is rotating it by hand at an angle. I mean, you're gonna have to hit the center at some point, but you just don't wanna chew down at it, you know. You don't wanna let it eat at it too much. Alright, gang, we got our last one right here, y'all. Pop our cap on it. And our O-ring ought to tighten back up in place. I'm gonna just blow these injectors out right quick and we're gonna call it a wrap, guys. Alright, YouTube, so there you have it. Got our injectors decapped, ready to go, guys. Cleaned up as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Next, we'll be hopefully getting these in our intakes, one of them. I have on Trailblazer SS, and I also have a regular one, top up in there in that box. So we'll see which way we're gonna go. I know these are short, so I might just throw the old intake back on there for the time being until I get some longer ones that fits my new body style truck intake. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Y'all know big things coming to the channel. You know that. So stay tuned, guys. Appreciate y'all for stopping by. Y'all have a good one. We gone. Mr. Randall.